So we've come back from Hereford a day early. We were planning to go for 2 days anyway. So we went Friday night and Saturday night, got back Sunday afternoon, spent the afternoon editing and just basically putting some washing on and stuff like that. So all very exciting. So I'm going to go meet some friends at Bryngarw Park. Now, if you don't know Bridgend, Bryngarw Park is beautiful. It's like got a lake, there's often ducks there. You can take little children running around, there's lots of different types of flowers and stuff. It's a little nature trail, it's really, really cute. It's a couple of quid to park up and you can stay all day. They've got a cafe there and they've got a park there and the children absolutely love it. So I figured it's a great excuse for the adults to sit down, have a coffee and a catch up while the children run around and enjoy themselves. I'll try and show you a little bit of it when we're there, just so you can get an idea. So if you're ever in the area, you can pop your head in and see what it's like. We're really, really excited about it, to be honest, because the kids are going to have the opportunity now to catch up with their friends and just re-familiarise themselves. Nothing worse than starting a new job or starting school or something like that, and it's your first day and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't really know anyone, or people have got their own friendship groups and you just don't feel part of it. So really wanted to try and eliminate that stress for them as much as possible. And we've decided to take a picnic. So first things first, I've got to make his Nibs a cup of coffee. Bit of a morning ritual at the minute. I still find it bizarre he even bothers to have coffee because he has decaf every time. So it's not like it's even waking him up. What do you think? Is decaf worth it or not? Right, I've taken his coffee. I'm going to have my coffee. I think it's the sugar that gets him out of bed because he loads it up with sugar rather than the coffee itself. But I'm going to get cracking with this picnic. Now luckily, I got some of these Tupperware boxes. Well, I hate Tupperware because you always lose the lids and stuff. But that's a pretty decent sized one. I can put some sandwiches in there for him. That was like a quid. Take him some fruit. I normally do like a hot chocolate as well. So I'm thinking I could take hot chocolate for them, let them have a bit of fun with that. Yeah, a bit of fruit, bit of crisps, bit of chocolate, why not? Thank you to our sponsor this week, Super Sparrow. Super Sparrow is a supplier of custom insulated water bottles online. Now we've been sent 4 water bottles, 3 children's sizes and 1 adult size. These are great because they've got a little flip straw here. It's screw top and they're non-spill. Stu's even been using this one. Stu likes his ice cold drinks, and because they're insulated, drinks do stay cool for much, much longer. This is mine, the flask, and I absolutely love it. I treat the kids to hot chocolates or cups of tea wherever we go.
Tastes amazing. Lovely. Lovely.
There's plenty of choice online, whether you want floral, plain, anything. The water bottles come in a variety of sizes, so you can have 350ml, 500ml. These water bottles and flasks are non-toxic, BPA free. These handy little guys can be used for a variety of things. They're also dishwasher safe. They're absolutely leak proof. A handy carrying loop on it, so when you're running around you can strap that over onto your trousers, a bag, or simply just carry it as I am now. Super Sparrow are so confident in the quality of their water bottles and flasks that they offer a lifetime guarantee. The price on these are really reasonable already, but if you would like 20% off, then use the discount code RUCK20. You might also notice as well there's a table in the background. So last time I showed you the house, this was an empty area. Well, we managed to get them off Facebook. A lovely lady dropped them round, and do you know what? They're in really good condition. They're second hand, does the job. I had a right laugh building that table.
Who needs a man?
Me, clearly, because I can't get the screw in.
Go on, Wonder Woman.
Here we are. Ta-da! I'm going to need to get some placemats or a tablecloth or something for it. That's going to be fab for when Emilia's at home with me and I can do some homeschooling with her now at the table. So you'll also notice as well that the channel might feel a little bit different to how it usually is at the moment, because there's been so much change for us all with moving in the house and moving from the van full time and everything like that. We used to only give you 1 video a week on a Sunday, sometimes 2 videos when we were travelling around. So obviously our Sunday videos are going to remain travel related. And then these extra ones that we're putting out in the week, sort of Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesdays, they are probably going to be surrounded by the house, van builds, and what we're getting up to on a more personal level during the week. Obviously, if that's what you're interested in, please do come and give us a watch and, you know, give us some comments about what you'd like to see. Is there anything you particularly want to know? Everything during the week is going to be sort of set more locally, whereas on the weekends and, you know, Easter holidays, Christmas holidays, stuff like that, we're going to be doing proper travelling, so they're all going to be put into our Sunday videos. There may be some during the week as well, depending on how long we're gone for, but just wanted to let you guys know what to expect from the channel a little bit as well. Also, just a huge thank you if you're sticking with us and you're enjoying all the content and following us as a family. It's been really, really kind of you supporting us as we're going through all these changes. So, while I'm doing this, I'll just let you know the reason why the kids are still in bed is because Emilia decided to pull her tooth out. It was about 10 o'clock last night. She was so excited to see her friends, and she's there yanking at her tooth because she was like, I don't want to go with my tooth half hanging out, it needs to be right, so it's either in or it's out. So I was like, fair enough. So we were there for ages trying to help her do it, and then I think because she went to bed later than what we would have liked, this morning she's not exactly bouncing around, but she's super excited to see her friends. So I'm literally like, you might want to get out of bed. So after this, I'm going to go get them all up and she will show you her gappy face, which is just getting worse by the day. So hopefully they'll have a good day. The good thing is the weather's nice. Now, I don't know what it is with Bridgend, but could be because we're by the sea and we've got like the valleys and the mountains and stuff, but this place rains more than anywhere I've ever been before. So when you get a sunny day, it's like get out, enjoy it. And it is a beautiful town. There's so much to see around here. But obviously if the weather's rubbish, you're not exactly inspired to go out. So, right, we've got sandwiches, some Kit Kats, got extra in there for my friends. I'll get some fruit in there and some crisps. Some fruit. There we are. Ta-da! I'm gonna go and see if I can get them out of bed. Good morning, Squealia.
I've been awake for 10 minutes.
Yeah, you have been awake, to be fair. Let's see the scappy face then. You lost a tooth last night, didn't you? Ah, you're still beautiful. You're going to get ready then. Your friends are going to be meeting you in like less than an hour. You need to get dressed, brush that hair.
Go get me those shorts over there.
What shorts?
Those denim shorts.
Do you mean these?
Yes.
Okay, so get yourself ready, okay? And then we're going to hit the road. I just remembered you had your tooth fairy money as well, didn't you? So you can bring that with you. And we'll go to the cafe. Yeah? You can get yourself a drink or some snacks.
Snacks or sweets.
I don't know how you're going to be able to eat them, babe. You've hardly got any teeth in your head.
No, I'll just suck on the lolly.
Suck on a lolly. All right, babe. Get dressed then, okay? I'll see you in a minute.
I'm ready.
You look awesome, babes.
I got my minis.
Yeah.
And I got my drink.
Okay, cool. You're super excited?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What shoes are you going to wear?
My Crocs, obviously.
Girl after my own heart.
Go look at Dexter.
Why?
He thinks he looks swag.
What's swag?
Like cool.
Babe,
Yeah.
it's sunny outside. You really don't need a hat on.
No, because he looks cool. Look at him. Oh wait, and then he can have the.
I don't want to be George Washington.
Right, come on then, make your beds. We've got to get ready to go. Sometimes there really are no words in this house. Right, I'm chuffed with myself. I've managed to do a load of washing. I've taken it out. It's all in a heap on the side. I need to separate it now, put some in the tumble and some out on the line. And then we're going to go.
See you later.
We're at Bringaroo. This is a map of the area and you can see Bringaroo House, surrounded by woodland and trail walks. This is then the visitor centre. You've got a parking metre outside. I think it's £3.50 for the whole day and you can do card or cash, which is really good. And here's the visitor centre. They've got all sorts of information about the woodlands. You can discover all the different animals that are here. They've got like a snap game there. And then there's loads of information just up here about the country park, the trust and the area. That's the cafe, which is still not open. So I'm like praying it's going to open in the next couple of minutes because I'm dying for a coffee. And this is the children's park. So the kids had an amazing time at Bringaroo with their friends, and straight afterwards I figured I needed to go somewhere to get a bathroom cabinet and get some food shopping. So I've been back about half an hour and I've put together something that I think is really, really cool. You'll have to let me know what you think. Because I couldn't find a bathroom cabinet. Wherever I was looking, it was always sort of the ones that go round the bottom of the sink or the really tall ones. Well, our bathroom, there's like a little gap next to the toilet. Let me just show you. Oh, I can't show you because it'll give away what I've just done. Okay, so there's a gap next to the toilet, like under the window, and then there's a there's the sink basically in the bath. It's not a very big bathroom. So it means that I can only get away with like a waist-high cabinet, just enough to put some like bits and bobs in it. Couldn't find anything I liked. So what I've done instead is this, right? It sounds dodgy, right? It's a shoe rack and some baskets, but look at this. Ta-da! I think this is so cool. So I've got baskets with toilet rolls in, and then I've just bought some bits and bobs, you know, bath bombs, extra toothbrushes, face masks, all that kind of stuff, some poofies. I'll probably never even use these, but they just look cool. And then, like, you know, all the funky, like, shower gels that I couldn't keep on the van because they were just too big and heavy. So I've got loads of them. I went a little bit crazy. What do you think? I know, it's not the most exciting thing to have shown you, but I thought it was cool. Anyway, Stu's got some good news. He's found a van. So I'm going to go and speak to him now, and he can basically tell you all about it. Is the main man. So I've just told everyone you've got a van.
I have got a van, and we should have it in about a week's time. So we're picking it up later, well, in a couple of days' time. We've got to go down to London of all places, but we've got a 2018 Peugeot Boxer. I think it's about 105,000 miles, silver, long wheelbase. So it's a good year, good mileage, perfect van for converting.
We're super excited, aren't we, now?
Yeah.
It means you can get cracking, so...
That's it, it's just getting the last bits ready and getting sort of content ideas ready now for the Fanology page, which is, yeah, it's all coming together.
Wicked, that's what we like,
Finally,
innit? Say finally, it's only been about 2 weeks, but...
I know. But these are our Thule or Thule or Thule awning pegs, like storm pegs, and they keep bending up top, so I'm just trying to bend them back, but they are rubbish. So I would like to know if anyone's got a link for a good set of these. We could do with a good set, because these are rubbish.
Yeah, each time you put the hammer on them, they're just gone, aren't they? The
I'm going
rubbish.
to bend them back into shape on the vice, but I know they're not going to last very long.
Yeah, well, they're already weak, aren't they? So,
Yeah.
okie dokie, cool. Thanks for that. Right, so I'm going to leave him banging around in there. He's literally hammering the life out of those things. I don't think they're going to last long at all. So Stu's actually going to get a video. He's going to get his own video uploaded. So be over, go check it out. He's definitely recorded it because I viewed it. You don't want to miss it. It's his intro. He's basically telling you everything he's about to do, and it's not worth missing it. So get over there.
It's finally ready!
Do you want it?
I'm in the kitchen cooking because we were just looking at takeaways and they're ridiculous at the minute. So I spent the afternoon editing tonight's video. Kids are having their tea, they're all very happy. I'm doing some asparagus. Obviously I've added some wine in there, some salt, some pepper. Listen to that crackle. Lush. Mushrooms. Air fryer for chippies. And we've got some rump steak. Not bad for someone who can't cook, I reckon. Looks alright. Good morning. So last night's dinner was a success. Stu really enjoyed his steak and chips, so I'm well happy with that. See, proves I can cook now and then when my heart's in it, it's all good. This morning we planned to clear out the workshop. We were going to get some sheds. We were going to go around the shops and see if we could pick up like one of those plastic ones just to put the bikes and the rubbish in, so they weren't in the doorway of the workshop. I think the plan now is to order it though, because looking at the size of them, we're not going to get them in the car. We've cleared out the workshop with all the rubbish. We've been down to the tip already, and now it's tumping down full of rain. So I'm going to leave the vlog here for today, and I'm going to pick up with you next time. We're going to go away this weekend. I'm not sure where yet. I'm going to get onto that now. Don't forget, if you're interested in the van build, Stu is putting up his first video over on Vanology. That will be out now, so feel free to go and check that out. And until next time guys, I'll see you in a bit.